new Yes printer is innovative and revolutionary. It doesn't need ink cartridges or carbon ribbons to print. It's slim and stylish. You just need one press to turn on the device, and the paper will be automatically fed. It's wireless printing. With a Bluetooth connection, you can easily send the file to the printer and start the printing with just a few clicks from your mobile phone. It can print Word, Excel, or PDF. It can also print photos, and the app has many templates. You can print labels, banners, web pages, sticky notes, to-do lists, and so on. Its compact design makes it so convenient for camping trips or vacations. A bonus is that the device also supports PC printing. If you have any urgent files from your clients or colleagues, you can use it to print the documents, sign the document, and send it out. It prints drawings so that your kids can enjoy coloring whether at home or outside. The printing doesn't fade easily. If you accidentally spill water, dry it and then continue to write and draw. It's so compact that you can print anywhere and anytime. You can print in your car, RV, or for door-to-door service. It also supports continuous printing. You can print several sheets at a time. With high resolution, the printing is neat and legible. With it, you can discuss the cooperation anywhere and then print and sign the agreement with your client immediately without any delay. It's a printer for on the go, without the hassle of all the running around to print shops. The new Yes A4 printer is waiting for production, and we need your support to bring this smart invention to life.